About 2 years ago, when we first heard about the accelerator program and the whole VR experience, very excited to be offered the opportunity to be involved. Turned out to be far much more beyond what I originally had in mind. It's been a tremendous experience.
NAPA Xccelerator is something completely different. It is a really interactive way to teach the fundamentals of automotive repair to a student who maybe has never even touched a vehicle before. What I think the ASE contributes to that is it shows that you have a knowledge level to be able to understand those systems well enough to pass the test for it.
I really think that the accelerator can be a really great tool for the technicians, not only to get prepared to pass the ASE certification, also to gain knowledge and everything that they need to stay adjourned with the technology.
You know, in ASE, our tests are mostly knowledge-based, and our tests are multiple choice, but seeing what the accelerator does, we see some potential that eventually maybe this could be something that could be used for performance-based testing.
If I had to really sum it up, what is it? Endless possibilities is what accelerator is.
It's almost like a game, a video game in some ways, right? Especially the accelerator part of it.
We do that through training in a headset,
where you are learning in a very tactile way using a digital representation of a real part that's very accurate to scale, function, and location. So picking something up and putting it in the right spot, torquing it down with a wrench can be done virtually.
We can teach them how to do things in order and correct processes and procedures to follow.
This was entirely out of what I would expect when I first came in here.
Overall, I think it was a fun experience. I really liked it. I was able to learn of this in VR and do it in real life. Really helped me since I'm a visual learner.
I think the accelerator training program is the cornerstone of everything, but the smart glasses is what's going to carry everything into the future.
So we have some smart glasses with cameras that can both identify visual and audio cues from the technician wearing them and reach out to an AI-driven database where they can get information that they need on demand without necessarily having to stop what they're doing and go to a workstation or a tablet and not have to stop their workflow.
Hey Daryl, I'm working on a 2010 Toyota Tundra, and it has a whirring noise for 30 seconds after the truck shuts off.
The smart glasses will pretty much replace safety glasses because they are so valuable, so convenient. They offer a lot of value add to a technician in the means of time saving and consistency and staying on task and work production.
For 2020 Ford F-150 brake caliper replacement.
As a technician, you're performing a lot of hands-on tasks on a daily basis. And while you might be book smart, being able to use a virtual simulation to see how you actually perform doing those tasks, I think would be very helpful.
One thing with me personally is the fear of making mistakes, especially in the shop. Things like this, like the VR, it gets rid of that nervousness and it gives you that experience that you still need to be able to do it without the pressure of failing.
I feel like the hands-on, I got a better experience and I got to know my environment and everything around me.
It does feel like it accelerates you.
I feel like that really helped me as well because you're able to see it, because usually I feel like a lot of people in this field, they learn with their hands, they do things with their hands. So seeing him being able to do things right there, and it's almost like I'm doing it.
I think this was one of my favorite activities I've ever done related to school. This was awesome.
And so what did we tell you was the number one things that we do in the shop?
So accelerator is being able to take and first of all, assess technicians, their skill set, and where we need to focus our training, and then accelerate their training at just an incredible speed. And then assist on the back end everything that they need to continue to develop as a technician in their training, but also to be able to give technical assistance to be more efficient.
It's not VR, it's not mixed reality, it's not AR, it's not data science. It's all of it. It's all encompassing. It's hands-on and it's digital and it's results driven.
A good technician needs to be more than just a guy who changes parts on a car. You need to understand different systems. You need to be a plumber. You need to be an HVAC guy. You need to be an electrician. You need to be able to turn a wrench. But the thing that really sets a technician apart from a mechanic is the ability to think logistically through a problem, how something works, how it should work, and how it shouldn't work, and what you need to do to rectify the problem